Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Quotex. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance application in your mobile and then you just have to log into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, tap on this wallets in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and by default you will be in this overview section. So you need to click on this spot and in this port you are going to select this withdraw. Afterwards you will be landed on next page where you will be shown all of the cryptos that you have. So you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to withdraw. Once you select it, you will be able to see this type of pop-up in the bottom where you will be given two withdrawals options. First is of crypto network and the second one is via email and phone or ID to other Binance user. But as you want to transfer your crypto from Binance to Cortex, you will have to select this first option. After selecting it, you will have to select the network. So you will have to select BE20 network. After selecting the network, you will have to launch your Cortex mobile application and there you will have to select the same crypto. Then you just have to select the address from there and you need to paste the address in this section. After that, in the network you need to make sure that both of the network are same. For example, if you have selected BP20, then you will have to select BP20 over here and as well as in your Cortex mobile application. So after filling these details, you will have to tap on this withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once done, it will ask you that you are sending this much amount from your support wallet or from your funding wallet. So in whichever wallet you have your crypto, you will have to select that wallet and then you need to press confirm. Once done, you will be landed on the final confirmation page where you will be shown that your order is now confirmed. Now you just have to wait for some time until you receive your token in your Cortex wallet. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.